Taking the hospital in Thun, Switzerland as an example, we'd like to show you what the HospiLog automated medication management system can do and how the Med 2000 automated medication dispensing device by Pyxis functions in practice. The physician enters his patient's prescription. The laptop computer is connected to the Med 2000 medication dispensing device via an interface. Instead of nursing staff having to retrieve the appropriate medication manually out of the pharmacy cabinet, the job is handled by Med 2000. This clearly visible, space-saving system consists of the Med 2000 console and a Pyxis link located in the hospital pharmacy. Using a password or fingerprint identification, the physician, pharmacy, or nursing staff logs into Med 2000 and selects the name of the patient. Touching the patient's name on the screen brings up a display of the patient's corresponding prescribed medication. If the prescription has been electronically registered, it can be retrieved immediately by Med 2000. If the physician's prescription has not been registered, it can be entered manually by the nursing staff. The appropriate drawer is opened automatically, as well as the correct QB with the needed medication in it. QBs are electronically controlled containers placed inside the drawers. The exact number of tablets being extracted is entered through the keyboard. At the same time, all associated data is transmitted to the console in the hospital pharmacy. Med 2000 also controls the tall cabinet and refrigerator. This system can be extended and expanded according to need. If a medication is not used or needed, the patient's record is documented and the inventory corrected automatically. The medication is then returned to its defined place in the Med 2000. All Med 2000 stations are connected to the central console in the hospital pharmacy, the control point of the entire hospital-wide network. All department-specific data can be entered at the console. The system also provides connections to and from other computer-based applications used in the hospital. The hospital pharmacist has a constant overview of the following: who has removed what medications from Med 2000, what medications are in stock, where they are, and in what quantity, where patients are stationed, and what prescriptions they have received, comments or notes regarding individual patients, where appropriate. From the console, pharmacy staff are able at any time to print out reports concerning prescriptions that have to be filled. This means that stocks can be kept to a necessary minimum, thus helping to keep costs down. Based on a printed refill order, a pharmacy assistant prepares QBs to be brought to Med 2000. Med 2000 has matrix drawers and specially designed drawers to accommodate QBs. Empty QBs are replaced by filled ones. The replenishment of QBs is the job of a specialized logistics firm. Highly qualified personnel perform this task at the replenishment station. The replenishment station prints a label for each medication in a QB. The label includes an EAN code and expiration date. The QB also receives additional information about the medication, including minimal and maximal dosages. During the second phase of processing at the replenishment station, each QB receives a special code. This allows a QB to be stored in any drawer in the Med 2000 where free capacity can be found, thus increasing storage efficiency. The shipment is now ready to be delivered to the hospital pharmacy. We appreciate this equipment because we no longer have to control the inventory ourselves, because security is increased, and because locating what we need is now much easier.